So I found this in a collection that I just bought and thought it would be fun to go through it. So let's see if we can while I hold the phone and pull everything out with one hand. So this was something that you would have ordered from Marvel with their little inserts that no one wants cut out of their comic books. There's Wolverine. This is doesn't have a date on it right there. Anyway, nothing on the back. This is what was inside. Let me make sure there's nothing else in there. Nope. So inside we have Wolverine News #1, Typhoid's Kiss. All sorts of good stuff. You got all the upcoming Wolverine books. Somebody must have sent in one from a Wolverine. This is we'll go through that in a minute. Let's finish this part. What do we got here? First annual Marvel results. #1 character. Everybody thought it was Gambit. Must read. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Oh, that's just a page. Look, there's more. Wolvie fans unite. If you want to send in a letter, you can send it to there. And then the back, you got the Genesis game. Wolverine statue, limited edition. I have a belt buckle that looks like that. There you go. So that's cool. It came with the Black September preview book from Malibu. This is the Malibu Marvel crossover. I'm sure you've seen these books in your local 50-cent bins. And if not, you need to go out and dig more because they're in there. And it's some funny shit. Jugs. Not her. Oh my god, it's got a scratch on it. It's devalued. Okay, then we got this cool cardboard, board of cards, uncut sheet. Well, of course it is because it's that. The Fleer Ultra Spider-Man Thingamadoodle. What's this say? Does it have a date on it? 1995. That's when this stuff is from. Nice, nice. So you got some Black Cat. Some Spidey, some Hobgoblin, some more Spidey, some Venom, Carrion, I don't remember that dude right off the top of my head, Spider-Clone, and Jackal. Nice. Next up, this was probably supposed to be in the other thing, and it is X-Men 20th Anniversary. It's got this nice little piece here on the bottom. Don't think it opens. Marvel 1995 survey results. Number of comics you buy a month. Most people buy 6 to 10. That's something. I wonder if that still holds true. Who's your least favorite Marvel superhero? The Punisher is a #1. No one likes the Punisher. That's so sad. I feel bad for him. That's cool. It had this cool card. All new, all different X-Men. What happened to Wolverine's hand? Professor X is dead. Oh no. thinking of putting up a lot for sale that has all of those comics in it, because I probably have 30 copies of each one. Okay, let's move that to the side. We got a little thank you note. Thanks. Oh, they filled out the survey, mailed it in, and this is what they got. The first annual Marvel survey in the books. Enclose a number of full color catalog. And you also find $2 bonus coupon. I wonder if that's in here. This is cool. I have multiple copies of this ash can, and I never knew where it came from, and now I know that this is how you got this ash can. Oh wait, there's another card stuck to the back of it, and it is the same one. Now I got doubles. So that's cool. Sienkiewicz. It's a good Sienkiewicz cover right there. We got this here poster. There's the top half. Whoa, I gotta pan out a little bit. Good stuff. Good stuff. See all the cool stuff you used to be able to get for collecting comics? That's from 1994. This must have been some old stuff they had laying around. I doubt that it has anything on the back. No, it doesn't. And last but not least is this poster. Let's see what this poster is all about. It's Wolverine and Gambit. And it's huge, and it's not the greatest. I don't know. It looks like they photocopied a panel from a comic. It's really weird how it's, I don't know if that, it doesn't really play off in the video, but up close it looks like it's like weird and blurry. I don't see an artist. Anyway, there you have it. That's the cool stuff that Marvel used to send you for reading their comics. Nowadays, they just charge you a bunch of money and give you crap. Till next time.